Hi everyone, this is Ms. DeLu. I'm going to go over with you Module B, Lesson 2, Practice Activity 2. The digital lesson focuses on single issue paragraph highlighting. You're going to want to have two tabs open, one for this digital video and then another one for your notes. Your notes should look like this. Module B, Lesson 2, Practice Activity 2. The objectives in Module B, Lesson 2 are: first, students will organize opinions and ideas in a logical manner by organizing and depicting information logically. And second, students will justify opinions and ideas using examples, explanations, and terminology by negotiating ideas and knowledge with peers and teachers. Now we're going to review the directions to practice Activity 2. Review topic sentences and transition words and highlight them in the single issue Colton Community paragraph below. This down here in the box is the paragraph about single issues Colton Community. You'll demonstrate your understanding of where a topic sentence is located by clicking and dragging over the sentence that is the topic sentence in this paragraph below, and you'll highlight it yellow. You'll demonstrate your understanding of transition words by clicking and dragging over transition words and highlighting them orange. When you complete this, review your work, make sure it looks accurate, and then you're going to upload it in Google Classroom under Practice Activity. Good luck!